Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, where you are. From where you are, I want to show you today pawpaw, papaya. Yeah, these are papaya. I think this papaya is only about a year old. Papaya grow up very fast. They grow very, very fast. You know, they start, producing fruits really early. So these ones, they are still green, but you can see the bigger ones, maybe in the next probably 2 weeks. In the next 2 weeks, it will, start ripening. Yeah, this is pawpaw. You can see the tree is right from down up. Pawpaw tree. You can stand from afar, so you can see. Pawpaw are quite nice, and all these are organic. You know, no fertilizer is poured there, nothing. It's just growing using the food that God has already provided naturally. No chemical is being used to make them grow, and they really grow very, very, very fast. So this is pawpaw. I wish there was one that was ripe, so I could just, pluck and maybe even cut it in front of you. But yeah, they're still green. And by the way, pawpaw can also be used actually for the green one can also be used, like you can actually cut, like you cut up vegetables like carrots, you cut up aubergine, you cut up all those vegetables. Pawpaw can also be used. You just peel off the cover, wash it thoroughly, wash the inside thoroughly, and you cut some and add in your food. They taste good. Yeah, that's it. That's about pawpaw.
Yes,